Here I've got VERNEE Apollo Lite, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the settings, then find and choose display, and here go to wallpaper. Just pick the source that you would like to pick your wallpaper from. It can be gallery, one from live wallpapers, or something from wallpaper album, and this is what I will pick, the last one. And here you can come along with all possible options. There you've got also some live wallpapers, for example this one. Just pick the one that you like the most. I will pick this one and tap on set wallpaper. And that's it. As you can see, from now on this brand new wallpaper is covering your home screen. And that would be all. This is how you can smoothly and easily change wallpaper on your device. You can do it as often as you want to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.